Hello and welcome to Sort of Cells classes. Today we are going to solve one problem from Test of Mathematics at 10 plus 2 level, which is very well known book. It is published by Indian Statistical Institution to help the students in their preparation for different ISI entrances. So let's check what is in this question. We have to show this given inequality, that is 2 multiplied by root over 251 minus 1 is less than sum over k equals to 1 to 251 by root over k, and 2 into root over 251 is greater than sum over 1 by root over k. So basically we have to prove this inequality, that is 2 root over m plus 1 minus root over m is less than 1 by root over m less than 2 root over m minus root over m plus 1. Okay, so let's start with the left hand side, that is 2 root over m plus 1 minus root over m. If we multiply root over m plus 1 plus root over m and adjust it by dividing, then we get, adjust it by division, we get root over m plus 1 plus root over m in the denominator, and in the numerator we get only 2, as this portion results in 1. Okay, and we can say that this is equals to 2 divided by 2 into root over m, which is equals to 1 by root over m. So this is the left hand side portion of this inequality. Now we have to prove the right hand side. Similarly, we can show that 2 into root over m minus root over m minus 1, which is equals to 2 into root over m minus root over m minus 1 multiplied by root over m plus root over m minus 1 divided by root over m plus root over m minus 1, which results in 2 root over m plus root over m minus 1. And we can say that this is equals to 2 by 2 root over m or 1 by root over m. Okay, so this is the right hand side portion. Now putting m equals to 1 to 250 in this inequality, we get, now putting m equals to 1 to dot 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 250 and adding those inequalities, we will get for suppose m equals to 1, we have 2 into root over 2 minus root over 1 less than 1 by root over 1 less than 2 into root over 1 minus 0. Now let for m equals to 2, we have root over 3 minus root over 2 less than 1 by root over 2, which is less than 2 into root over 2 minus root over 1. Okay, now if we add to these two inequalities, we get 2 into root over 3 minus root over 1 less than sum over 1 by root over k, where k is equals to 1 to 2, less than 2 into root over 2. Now if we add those inequalities from 1 to 250, we get 2 into root over 250 minus 1 less than sum over 1 by root over k, k is equals to 1 to 250 Okay, and less than 2 into root over 250. Sorry, here we get 251. Okay, so this is the proof, and that's all for today. And we services classes provide different study materials and mock test series for ISI entrances, so you can join us. And for further details, you can check our website, which is www.saurasasclasses.com, and subscribe our YouTube channel to get the notifications. Thank you very much.